Hi, DNR Paving back. Just wanted to let you know that we are removing railroad ties and railroad tracks. We are complete wrecking crew, demo crew, pulverizing crew. We do it all. We'll get back to you on a finish. Thank you. We got DNR Paving live action today. We're back. This is the job that you once saw being pulverized, all cement, 18 to 20 inches, foundation all broken out. Now you can see it is being installed with a beautiful layer of asphalt. We've got around 12,000 square feet down now. We've got an additional 7,000 to 10,000 square feet to finish. I'll give you a finished product when we're done. Thank you again, DNR Paving. DNR Paving. This is the completion of the pulverizing job in Stanhope. We have a concrete apron that we installed. We have all the asphalt nice and level in our parking lot now. Striped. New drains put in. No more big humps and piles of garbage. Beautiful and flat. Thanks to DNR Paving, another fine job. So we see you again.